Hi everyone, so in this video we'll discuss about that how we can show a ceiling in floor plan as well. So for that, first of all, I'll go in level 1 ceiling plan. Right here, I will create one room. Similarly, we will see level 1 floor plan. You can see that we have got that walls. Now I'll go in ceiling plan as well and I'll create a ceiling right here. Sorry. Choose rectangle. So you can see we have got the ceiling in ceiling plan. Now if I'll go on level 1 floor plan, I cannot see that ceiling in this one. So suppose I'm working in floor plan but I wanted to show the ceiling as well. So how I can do that thing? So for that we'll go in property, we'll go in underlay option. Right here range base level will be our level, like we are working in level 1. So I'll select level 1 and the top level will be above level and the underlay orientation will be look up. Now when I'll do that thing, ceiling will be visible in this view as well. Now you can see where we are in our floor plan and I can see ceiling as well in my floor plan. So that's how we can show our ceiling in our floor plan as well. Thanks a lot guys for watching this video. We'll meet in my next video. Thank you.